It's Taco 9, man. Bringing y'all back with another video. As you can see, the Cutlass is back at home. It is back at home, safe and sound. I know you guys see the the wooden block there. I gotta adjust my shifter linkage some more because it's still trying to roll while in park. And I just been too lazy to get up on there and do that, but it's back safe and sound. I went down to the shop about a day or so. What days are running together? About a day or two ago. Picked it up, drove it damn near from about a good 35, 40 minutes. Took the interstate, and I put some videos in there as well.
Look at that highway car, y'all. Oh, highway car. Oh, highway car. Oh, highway car.
Let you guys see that, but yeah, it's my first overdrive swap G-body, man. It's I like it. You gotta excuse the wheels, as I said before. I gotta get these off because this is giving me derby vibes, and no, I'm not. No. So I got these right here. I picked them up from a guy on Facebook. I gotta get a tire for that one. I gotta order my center caps, my chrome pieces, but I'm gonna clean them up, wait on my tires. I'm gonna mount it. The car kind of sits raked, as you can see in the front. It sits, if you look, it sits kind of raked. So the front is low and the ass is high. So with that being said, no. I got some lowering springs I'm gonna put in the back to bring it down, or possibly squat it just a hair, and then I'm gonna put my rallies on. The hood is sold. I'm putting the factory hood back on. Putting the factory hood back on and a few other things, and get rid of all that crap, and then we'll be back in the game, and then I can work on priming and getting it ready for paint. I think I still got my chrome pieces and stuff down there in the shop. But for those who are new to the channel, it is a 1 second. Just your average 6.0 truck intake, budget build, cam. That's it, man. Nothing too fancy. Everybody gets on me about that radiator right there, but I'm gonna get a 4-core off of eBay with I got 2 Durrell fans down there in the shed. We've been having some issues with the throttle body. The TPS sensor keeps getting hung up and causing the car to idle real high. So I got to order a new throttle body as well. So I get rid of this 92. I thought about cleaning all that out and then trying to reset everything and whatnot, but who knows. The last video you guys seen, he put the mass airflow sensor in along with just hiding some wires and whatnot. But yeah, it's probably, I'm gonna start it up for y'all. Damn. Don't laugh at me, I gotta get in on the other side. It's probably out of gas right there. Let's see. I know it's dirty, y'all. Y'all gotta excuse me. I gotta clean this thing out, man. I gotta clean this thing out. It's my duty for Christmas. Clean this thing out. Let me see. You see the shifter's mounted. I gotta do this. I got a double in, which I gotta set all that as well. I'm waiting on my bezel or whatever to come. Got interior guys they're gonna redo all this for me. Gonna redo steering column, all this other stuff. This is what I was talking about. It needs adjusting as well, but let's see what we got. Let's see. Probably won't crank. It's probably out of gas because I've been driving it. So let's see. Let's see. Probably out of gas. Yeah. I gotta change that tensioner up under the hood. Yeah, so it's probably out of gas. Yeah, I ain't finna keep fucking with the goddamn car. But yeah, man, that's the gist of it. So just a little recap, let y'all know I got the car back. The next video, for those that's wondering, it's got the two chamber flows under, as y'all can see. All this shit, man, it's just plain Jane simple shit, bro. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna get rid of this sump. Put me a factory gas tank in there. Go back with the OG look, man. So just giving y'all an update. Stay tuned for more videos throughout the month of December. We got a lot of things coming before we end the year. We're gonna end the year with a banger, man. So it's Stock 09. For everybody that like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Thanks for rocking with me throughout this build. Stay tuned. Much more to come. We out.